Good morning, everybody. And this is your DAX setups for today. So pretty much a big up and big down day yesterday. I think the key thing here on the 8th hour is the crossover of the moving averages is starting to happen. And we've got so many levels that you need to watch out for. Just want to get two of them in. So obviously we've got 18,454 and then we have 18,394 or 18,400. So looking at the oscillators, you can see we kind of separated and starting to roll. So this could be move down, move up, V-reversals are rare for another move down. But at the bigger picture, if you just zoom out of this, just do that, you can see that is just sideways. There's nothing really going on here. We did create a lower low and then we did create a higher high. So this could be a big diamond formation that's going to form, which is just a consolidation pattern, or it could turn out to be this big massive megaphone. No real direction on the 8 hour as far as I'm concerned. If we drop down to the 3 hour, you're going to see similar kind of picture. Got going, came back, we gapped down during the US market. That's just due to US earnings and some of the tech stocks that were hammered. But at the moment, there's nothing that is indicating short, and there's nothing that's really indicating long. So I have a sneaky suspicion the DAX is getting into one of these long-term ranges, which it loves to get into every now and then. And it does make life a bit easier because you'll know where the top is and where the bottom is. And tends to stick to that range for an extended period of time. But I've also noticed that the dollar is fairly strong at the moment, and the euro is a bit weak, so that's also going to play into the DAX quite substantially. So looking at the hour, we are above the moving averages. We got going yesterday. We didn't really find an opportunity to buy into this, and I just want to, there's a flag break here. It's 137. Okay, so you have a zone. I want to make sure there's nothing. Oh, there is a little bit of something here, like that. There's a nice juicy pin bar here. Now, have a look at the price action here. Big move down, flag, gap down. So there's your flag. There's your flag there. So move down, flag, break to the downside. So what you're looking for is some form of a rejection. And we will probably see this better on the 15 minutes, hopefully. That's going to be the best. So we have rejected it already this morning, but it's pre-market, so I'm not going to read too much into it. But what you're looking for is a retest of 18,500, 18,523, and then also possibly just close the gap from yesterday at 18,540, and that should get you for an opportunity, get you an opportunity moving down. Just pay attention to the moving averages at the moment. We are below them, but we are above the 150. So, I don't really want to get involved in that just yet. But that is what it looks like, and it looks like we're coming back for. Let's double check my maths here. It's 146. 20, 170. So you're looking for 146, and if you look left, there's nothing really around 146. So you'd be looking for something between 18,467 and 18,446. So it's not something really that you want to be chasing at the moment. Kind of a sideways day, I think, for today. I think there's more tech stocks coming out. There's more earnings coming out, which could actually impact this. The whole week is going to be like this, to be honest, at the moment. Everybody's trying to see when interest rates are coming in. Then We're trying to see the health of the stock of individual stocks. So for me, this is pretty much up and down. If we do stay below the moving averages today, I'd pay attention to the zone I've given you here: 1854, 18540, and 18523, because that is what you're looking for. A decent rejection there definitely set you up with a 50-50 chance of a move to the downside. And I say 50-50 because we are in amongst the moving averages here. So we need to be below the 150 EMA before we start getting too excited about a move to the downside. Yeah, and that's it for me. Probably another confused day. And the flag is probably your best bet at the moment, but you want a decent entry. You don't want to be jumping in right at the bottom here just to get like 50 points, and that's just doesn't make sense. And if you look at this on the hour, look at the oscillators lining up quite nicely lower down. So what could happen is this thing could just drift lower, find support here, and then move to the upside. So yeah, it's neither short nor long, but there are some scalps, but you'll have to be on lower time frames, 15, 5-minute time frames if you've got that time to sit and watch the charts. Anyway, for me, I think I'll sit my hands and wait this one out. I hope it helps, and we won't see you tomorrow, but we'll definitely see you the day after. Cheers for now.